Are you guys confused on how you guys can see your saved photo on Snapchat? Well, this video is just for you because in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see your saved photo on Snapchat. And yeah, before I start this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, and it helps our channel to grow as well. So watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you guys skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can see your saved photo on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first, open Snapchat and go to your camera icon over here like this. So at first, let me show you how you guys can save your photo on Snapchat, so you guys can get clear on how you guys can see a saved photo. But basically, if you are in this video, then you guys might know how you guys can save a photo, but let me show you anyway. I click a random photo. After I click a random photo, there is this icon which will appear over here. If I click on it, it's gonna say saving, and this photo has been saved. Now let's say if I want to view this photo. So to view this photo, the first thing is I can go to my camera icon and scroll up. If I scroll up, it's gonna take me to my memories, and as you guys can see, all the photos, videos I saved on my Snap is gonna be over here. As you guys can see, the photo which I recently saved over here. That's one way to view it. The another way is to click on this icon over here. If I click on this icon, it's gonna take me over here in memories. So basically, you need to go to memories to see your saved photo on Snapchat. And yeah, all this photo saved over here is gonna be saved on Snapchat server. So if you're offline, then you cannot view any of them. Okay, you need to go online to view saved photos. Yeah, but you can view your camera roll photo even though you're offline, because these photos are of your gallery. Like your camera rolls photo are of your galleries, but your snaps over here are stored in Snapchat server, so you need to be online to view it. So yeah, that's basically how we view saved photos on Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below if you guys have any question related with this video, and also comment down below what type of video we should do next. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.